Welcome. Have you ever had a busy day full of obstacles and obligations that you forgot to bring your healthy lunch to work? Or are you a fan of fast food and want to reduce your consumption of it? But do not worry, even nutritionists and dieters resort to eating in restaurants such as McDonald's and Chipotle from time to time. So I will give you 5 healthy fast food options that will reduce calories. Let's get started. 1. Grilled hen salad. Well-known quick meals eating places such as Panera, Burger King, Wendy's and McDonald's serve this kind of salad. And if you use a third of a bag of salad dressings, avoid low-fat salad dressings due to the fact they have greater sugar. You may get a meal prosperous in protein and fiber and much less than 500 calories. Information source: Amy Shapiro, nutritionist. 2. Subway 6-inch tuna salad sandwich. Aim to devour less processed meat, and try to get the advocated 2 portions of fish per week. Eating this sandwich helps achieve these 2 goals. The bread made of flour was once chosen from 9 different types of grains, in addition to spinach, green peppers, olives, cucumbers and banana peppers. So you end up with a sandwich with less than 500 calories, 4 grams of fiber and 20 grams of protein. Information source: Michelle Duboc is chef and founder of the Clean Eating Cooking School for Healthy Cooking. 3. Starbucks egg and cheddar cheese sandwich. When time is up in the morning, regularly an egg and cheese sandwich is the way to go. At much less than 300 energy, 280 to be exact, it offers 14 grams of protein to remain in power. Plus, it is a supply of calcium, iron, and nutrition A. While the sandwich has a greater sodium content material than if you made it at home, it has a lot much less sodium than most speedy breakfasts. 4. Jim White, owner of Jim White Fitness and Nutrition Studios, says, "When I have to grab a quick bite, I go to Chick-fil-A and order a cold grilled chicken sandwich. It has 340 calories and 36 grams of protein. So it's perfect when I'm busy at work, during the week or on a road trip." The best part about this sandwich is that it contains flax seeds and oat bran flour, which contribute 15 grams of healthy fiber, heart-healthy nutrients that keep you feeling full. I also like to order the avocado and lemon sauce as a side dish and avoid choosing cheese to avoid the sodium. 5. Nutritionist Heather Mongeray says, "It's hard to find a catering establishment that doesn't serve a grilled chicken sandwich, even restaurants classified as fast food restaurants. That's why the grilled chicken sandwich is my go-to for when I'm hungry and need a quick balanced meal from a fast food restaurant." Although this choice does not sound as tempting as the rest of the menu, it is a food that provides the balance of carbohydrates and pure protein that I strive for when making food. In the end, if you like this video, I hope you will not skimp on us by subscribing, liking and sharing. Peace.